Well, hello and welcome back to SJ Rips. Today we're back with our round 2 opening. We've got 6 packs of hobby this time to open. Well, let's get ripping. So far this round we've had the Saints beat the Pies. Pies are now 0-3 by 15 points on Thursday night. And then last night the Cats beat the Saints by 19. That guy who ran on the ground, that was a bit entertaining by Ben Keys. So we've got base. So these hobby packs have got 2 luminous cards per pack. So we've got Marcus Bontempelli, just regular luminous. And we have Josh Rochelle from the Crows, regular luminous as well. Doesn't seem to be as many other inserts in these packs looking at the list. And there's a lot of base cards in these packs. So I think 1 in 9 packs is the most, is the ratio for the regular inserts. There's a milestone that's 1 in 9. And also Future Force Green 1 in 9, which is also numbered in these ones, the Future Forces. So we have Clayton Oliver. I won't read through these base cards. We'll just have a quick look through as we go. Eric Hipwood. Okay. There's our first luminous card in this pack, and it is a Thunderbolt. So the Thunderbolts in the hobby packs, there's still 1 in 12 packs and numbered out of 599. So it's 222 out of 599, and that's Tom Powell from the Kangaroos. Kangaroos playing the Dockers this afternoon. And then we've got Nasai Wanganeen Malera and the other luminous card for the Saints. The rest of the base cards. Okay, pack number 3 now. Fair to say they were opening a lot easier than the regular packs have been, and that one just wasn't. Petrarca, Marshall, Stringer, Dom Sheed, and we have a green Future Force. Aaron Cadman from the Giants. And that one is numbered number 65 out of 195. Nice. Then we have a Dusty Martin Luminous and a Zach Butters Luminous. And the rest are all base. Okay, halfway through now. Willie Rioli, Nick Martin, Jeremy McGovern, Hugh McCluggage, Jack McRae. And we have a milestone card. Daniel Howe. So these are 1 in 9 packs. Looks a lot more flashy than the ones in the regular packs. Oh, they're numbered as well. So that one's numbered 240 out of 240. Then we have a Luminous of Sam Taylor for the Giants. And Matt Rowell from the Suns. And the rest will all be base cards. Four packs. That is a massive pile of base cards already out of these. Okay. Charlie Cameron. Lions and the Blues with a bye this week. D's are playing the Hawks later this afternoon, I think. Ooh, we have Josh Dacos Luminous. And we have an Alex Pearce Luminous. And some more base cards. Okay, final pack for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Archie Perkins, Oscar Allen, Jared Berry, Bailey Smith, and nope, Angus Brayshaw. Oh, we have the Ignite. Oh, that's a gold Ignite. Now, this is kind of funny because the first Ignite I pulled out of the normal packs was also Christian Petrarca. And that is number 69 out of 125. What are the chances of that pulling the same player in both the normal and the hobbies? Very nice card. And then we have Luke Davies Unaki. And we have a Cam Rayner. And the rest will all be base. Common cards, base cards, whatever you'd like to call them. Well, we got a few numbered cards. We got the Future Force, Aaron Cabman from the Giants, numbered number 65 of 195. We had Daniel Howe from the Kangaroos, 100-game milestone card, number 240 out of 240. Tom Powell from the Kangaroos, Thunderbolt Luminous, and that's 222 out of 599. And then we had that Christian Petrarca Ignite, numbered number 69 out of 125. So that's the second Ignite Christian Petrarca after pulling the normal one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.